Hi everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to use Excel formulas to efficiently extract the first and last names from a full name. Using the example of player name, we'll demonstrate the step-by-step process using the TEXTBEFORE and TEXTAFTER functions. As you see, the full name is in cell B3. We want to extract first name in cell E3. Then in cell E3, use the formula is equal to trim. Bracket open. TEXTBEFORE. Bracket open. B3, comma, double quotation, and please note there is space between both quotations. Bracket close and press the enter. Explanation for TEXTBEFORE has extracted the text before the first space, and trim has removed any extra spaces. Now extract last name in cell F3. In cell F3, use the formula is equal to trim. Bracket open. TEXTAFTER, again bracket open, B3, double quotation, and same as TEXTBEFORE, single space between both quotations. Bracket close. Explanation for TEXTAFTER extracts the text after the first space, and trim ensures no extra spaces. Final result is that cell E3 now holds the first name, and cell F3 holds the last name. These formulas are useful for separating names in a dataset or spreadsheet, streamlining data management tasks in Excel. I hope you like this formula and you must have learned something new today. Please let us know in comments section if you have any doubts and which formula would you like to learn next.